Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the most amazing and innovative ways to live in a small cabin. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best small cabins that you can DIY or buy for $300 and up. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat, a rustic getaway, or a minimalist home, these small cabins have something for everyone. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Tiny house trailer cabin. According to Escape, a firm that constructs park model houses and travel trailers that have won awards, moving away from the city to live in a cabin doesn't mean giving up on modern amenities like a kitchen. The Traveler, its entry-level package, has a jaw-dropping kitchen with full-size Energy Star appliances, maple woodwork, and panoramic windows. Every Escape getaway is designed to resist inclement weather, including blizzards and heat waves. The starting price is $79,411. 2. DIY log cabin. Are you trying to live up to Henry David Thoreau? This tiny cabin by Joalex Henry is doable by hand. The skilled do-it-yourselfer who constructed the sanctuary by themselves explains all you need to know about building a cabin, from choosing the best logs to applying cooking oil to stop wood rot. His small home is built primarily of used materials, which is advantageous for both the environment and the pocketbook. Price? No more than $2,500. 3. Hobbit house cabin. Hobbitat Spaces offers little cabins for sale in Maryland, if that's your dream property. The construction company crafts contemporary homes that precisely adhere to the state's building requirements and are encased in reclaimed wood. If you want a taste of cabin living, reserve a stay at Blue Moon Rising in Deep Creek Lake, Maryland at the Moon Shadow Cabin, seen above, which has a clawfoot tub and reclaimed Douglas fir paneling, among many other amazing features. Cost? Plans are between $225 and $300, while unique plans are between $2,000 and $3,500. 4. Modular micro cabin. Wheelhouse Wedge is a modular cabin that fits anywhere that RVs and mobile homes are permitted because it is constructed on a trailer chassis and is classified as a recreational vehicle. Stunning features of the cabin include soaring ceilings, wide trapezoidal windows, a sleek Euro-style glass shower with floor-to-ceiling tile, and outside paneling constructed of repurposed snow fencing. The Wedge is wired for internet access and has room for 3 guests to sleep. To test it out, take a vacation to Jackson Hole, Wyoming's Fireside Resort. Expense, $175,000. 5. DIY tiny cabin. When builder Jay Schaefer released The Small House book in 2010, he sparked the current tiny home movement. Schaefer's Tiny Home Builders website provides free study guides, downloadable building plans, and a schedule of upcoming workshops for inexperienced do-it-yourselfers if you want to build a fun-sized cabin but don't know where to begin. Cost? Plans start at $197 and go up to $397. 6. Prefab guest cabin. The people at Summerwood Products, a firm that designs and sells tiny homes, advise adding a prefabricated bunkie or prefab guest house with a bathroom to your lakefront cottage if you don't have enough room for visiting friends. The number of people who can sleep in a micro cabin depends on its size and style. Cost? Pre-assembled kits start at about $17,000, while DIY kits with pre-cut materials start at about $14,000. 7. Small log cabin kits. Using a DIY kit, such as Conestoga's Serenity Log Cabin Package, can simplify the procedure if you're not a skilled builder. The vacation cabin has a separate living room, bedroom, and bathroom, including a kitchenette is not required. The starting price is $39,998. 8. A small cabin on wheels. With ample floor-to-ceiling storage for all of your outdoor gear, including snow skis, sleeping bags, climbing ropes, and hiking backpacks, Backcountry Tiny Homes Base Camp is a compact mobile home. The rooftop deck is our favorite place to take in the views. Cost? $101,500 for a turnkey installation, $54,500 for an incomplete interior. 9. Black Scandi-style cabin. The sleek black contemporary farmhouse cottage draws its inspiration from Scandinavian style. The one-bedroom, one-bathroom cabins have a terrace that runs the length of the rear of the home, a laundry room, and vaulted ceilings. Den, which is well known for its digital cabin blueprints, offers 3 models as part of Built by Den, a new full-service home building platform that is currently accessible in the Catskills and Hudson Valley of New York for individuals seeking a more turnkey experience. The starting price is $199,000. 10. Tiny Forever Home. Based in Northern California, Forever Tiny Homes constructs long-lasting tiny homes. They have a tiny house builder on their website that lets you experiment with various tiny home sizes and designs until you discover the one that suits your needs the best. It's a wise approach to choose the perfect configuration before committing. The starting price is $64,500. 11. Small Cedar Cabin. In addition to having a little porch, Tiny Portable Cabin's nostalgic cottage has all the standard features of many studio apartments. The starting price is $46,000. Additional costs apply for features like air conditioning, radiant heating, or built-in furnishings. The starting price starts at $46,000, with upgrades like built-in furniture, radiant heating, or an air conditioner costing extra. 12. Modern A-frame cabin. With a loft bedroom, an optional kitchenette, a micro-split system for heating and air conditioning, 14-foot ceilings, and a glass front with French doors that let in an abundance of natural light, this contemporary A-frame bunk cabin from Den has it all. The cottages can be erected singly, in pairs, or in multiples to accommodate friends and family. They sleep 2 people. In addition to offering both basic and detailed plans, the company also offers a calculator to help you estimate building costs in your location. Price range, $199 to $995 for plans. 13. Contemporary Prefab Cabin. The Timber Cab 550, a timber frame cabin by FabCab, is this cutting-edge prefab. It comes in the form of a pre-cut building material kit that a qualified contractor must assemble on-site. The company claims that by using a unique method for prefab construction, building times can be shortened by weeks, while material waste is decreased. Cost? The exact cost will depend on your personalized quote. However, any project must begin with a $10,000 deposit. 14. Yurt-shaped cabin. Based in Sidney, Nebraska, freedom buildable in 3 to 5 days, yurt-shaped cabin kits are available from Yurt Cabins. Features that give the interior a log cabin feel are integrated flooring, solid walls, insulation, bolt-together construction, and a wood ceiling. The Yurt Cabins can be used as granny flats, backyard home offices, or holiday rentals because they're available in a variety of sizes ranging from 12 to 18 walls, starting at $29,900 for a model with 12 walls. 15. Prefab Arched Cabin Kits. Arched Cabins offers a collection of prefabricated metal houses that are affordable for do-it-yourself enthusiasts. How durable are these buildings made of galvanized steel? All are resistant to up to 30 pounds per square foot of snow and winds of up to 150 miles per hour. A construction manual and the company's building support team's phone number are included with every do-it-yourself kit. Although all purchases also contain everything required to finish the exterior, finished cabin interiors and foundations are not included. The starting price is $9,240. Buying a small cabin can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience, but it also comes with some potential pitfalls that you should avoid. Here are some common mistakes that people make when buying small cabins and how to prevent them. Not planning your budget and financing. Small cabins may seem more affordable than larger homes, but they still require a significant investment. You should have a clear idea of how much you can spend, how you'll finance your purchase, and what your ongoing costs will be. You should also factor in the expenses of maintaining, furnishing, and insuring your cabin. If you're buying a prefab cabin kit, you should also consider the delivery and installation costs. Not doing enough research on the location and the cabin. Before you buy a small cabin, you should do your homework on the area where you want to build or buy. You should check the availability and quality of utilities, water, internet, and other services. You should also research the local regulations, zoning, permits, and taxes that may apply to your cabin. You should also inspect the cabin thoroughly or hire a professional to do so to ensure that it is in good condition and meets your expectations. These are some of the common mistakes that people make when buying small cabins and how to avoid them. By planning ahead, doing your research, following your instincts, and being flexible, you can find and buy the small cabin of your dreams. So there you have it, 15 of the best small cabins that you can DIY or buy for $300 and up. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!